Hello everyone, today I'm going to take you through my day of makeup routine. The very first step is to secure your hair using any headband or any clip. And then I'm going to take the Garnier Micellar water on a cotton pad to clean my face makeup. It's one of the best makeup removers available in the market. Next I'm going to use the Dot & Key cleansing balm, which I'm going to use to remove my eye makeup and my lipstick. So I'm going to take the product between my palms and warm it up, and then going to apply on my eyes and my lips. The cleansing balm is not very effective in breaking down the waterproof makeup. Next I'm using the Kaya wet wipes to remove all the makeup remaining on my face, and then I'm gonna wash it off using plain water. Now to make sure my face is squeaky clean, I'm washing it off using the Face Shop foaming cleanser. It is a gentle cleanser, but because it is a foaming cleanser, it may dry your face. However, I like the product because you get quite a good quantity in very less price. I'm also using this Miniso tool to clean my face. Then I'm gonna wash my face using cold water and pat it dry. Next I'm using this cucumber toner from Alp Goodness. Let it dry completely, and then I'm gonna use the Mamaearth vitamin C serum all over my face. I have used the entire bottle of this serum and I did not see any effect on my pigmentation or my dark spots. Next I'm going to use this Ayurvedic Kumkumadi facial oil. I have used 3-4 drops from both the oils and applied it all over my face. Next I'm using this salicylic acid by Dot & Key. This serum has helped me to reduce my acne and my pimple. However, they have changed the formula and I don't think I'm gonna repurchase it. No skincare is complete without moisturizing your face, so I'm using this Laneige water sleeping mask for moisturizing my face. I don't think I'm gonna repurchase the Laneige moisturizer. I will continue using my Aquasoft moisturizer. It moisturizes quite well. For my under eyes, I'm using this Innisfree under eye cream. It has helped me a lot in reducing the dark circles and the puffiness. It is thick in consistency. For moisturizing my lips, I'm using my all-time favorite Boroline, and that's it for today's video. See you in my next video. Good night.